Hello everyone. If the search bar isn't working on your Windows 11 PC, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. On your keyboard, press Windows plus I to open up settings, and here head over to personalization, then scroll down and select taskbar. On the taskbar here, make sure this search is toggled to on. If it's off, turn it on. If that doesn't fix the issue, head over to privacy and security, then scroll down to setting Windows. Here, scroll down again and select Advanced Indexing options. Here, click on Advanced, and under Troubleshooting, select Rebuild, and it will show you this. Simply click OK. It will take about a minute. Once it's done, simply cancel it and try using the search bar again. If that doesn't work, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Once it's open, right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Do not select End Task, otherwise the whole taskbar will disappear. If that happens, simply restart your PC. I'm just going to restart the Windows Explorer. It will take a while to fully load. Don't be alarmed. As you can see, mine is done. Try using the search bar once again. If that still doesn't work, on your keyboard, press Windows plus R, and here type in services.msc, then hit enter. We're going to look for Windows search here. Everything is alphabetically arranged, so scroll down. It shouldn't be hard to find. And here you can see Windows search. Right click and select properties. And make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If it's on any other option, select automatic. And under service status here, select stop. Then start it again. Apply, then hit OK and restart your PC. Then try using the search bar once again. If that doesn't work, we're going to troubleshoot. Use the built-in troubleshooter. Once again, press Windows plus I to open up settings. And here, scroll down to troubleshoot. Then select other troubleshooters. Scroll down and select search and indexing. Select run to run troubleshooter. And simply select what problem you're facing. Just follow the on-screen directions to diagnose and fix any issues. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step. For the next step, press Windows plus R, then here enter CMD to open command prompt. And here enter sfc/scan now, then hit enter, and this will scan your PC for any problems with the Windows search bar. It will take a while. Don't close this before it's complete. Once the search is complete, cancel this and restart your PC. However, if it shows that it can't fix the issue, close it. Once again, press Windows plus R, hit enter to open CMD, and paste in the following. I'm going to leave it on the screen and in the description below. Then hit enter. Once it's done, cancel it and restart your PC. Then try using the search bar again. If that still doesn't work, press Windows plus I to open up settings and head over to Windows Updates. Look for install any pending updates, as they may include fixes for the search bar issue. If that still doesn't fix the issue, move on to the final step. Note that this is a last resort. If all the other steps don't work, this will completely reset the Windows search bar. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R, and here enter PowerShell to open up Windows PowerShell. In PowerShell, paste in the following. I'm going to leave this on the screen and in the description box. Then hit enter, and this will reset the search bar completely. Once you've done that, cancel, then restart your PC, and that should fix the issue. That's all for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.